Today I'm going to show you two different charts that really captured the essence of the panic selling that we saw in the market today. I mean, it was absolute and complete chaos in the market today as everybody who was long tried to close out their trades at the exact same time, right? I mean, that's really what creates panic selling, when everybody heads for the exits. I mean, it was visible in the order flow, guys and gals. You could see it in the volume. I mean, guys were looking to get out of this market at any possible price, right? They didn't even care what price they got filled at. They just wanted to get out of the market. What a day to be a short seller. If you were looking for an opportunity to short this market, boy, were you rewarded today. All right, so let's get into it, guys. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And I promised you that I would show you two different charts. But first, let's take a look at the existing chart. This is the volume indicator color band. You guys know this does a spectacular job of nailing the trend before it starts, and more importantly, allows you as the trader to sort of pick off really high probability, low risk setups via these retracement patterns, right? In fact, you can see right here, we caught the beautiful top of this sell-off, right? We caught it right here, 11:30 a.m., right before the market plunged. We got a perfect sell signal. Couldn't ask for a better job from this volume indicator. However, I also want to show you something new that a lot of you guys might find fascinating. And here it is. All right. What do you guys think about this color band? Right? This one here is something new. I call this one the Mega Vol. This is going to be for my existing customers and clients only, but how do you think it looks visually speaking? Right? So let's take a look at it again. Here is the regular vol. Again, nothing wrong with this. This thing is beautiful. This thing is gorgeous. It does its job. Okay? But this one over here just looks different. Even though it's the same day, same sell-off, same symbol, same everything. It just looks different. You want to know why that is? Well, this new indicator here, guys, is designed to capture a more holistic view on what's happening in the market. You could also say this provides you with sort of a bigger picture on what's happening, like day over day, right? Like you can see here, if we take it back just to a couple of days ago, you could see that a monster short trend was definitely underway, right? So this kind of just paints you a bigger picture on what's happening in the market as a whole. And yep, you guessed it, you can still find retracements even on this new indicator. In fact, I kind of feel, all right, I'm still testing this out, but I kind of feel that the retracements are a little bit better looking on the Mega Vol, simply because you have a more holistic view of what's happening on a higher time frame, right? And that's really what the essence of this indicator does. Because what you're seeing here on this chart is the volume analysis and the volume profile from a higher time frame on the very same symbol. Okay? And while it's a little too early for me to draw any conclusions from this, I think that this Mega Vol indicator might be the holy grail with respect to keeping a trader in longer and larger moves. In fact, you can see here, look at these retracements up top, right? These kept you in short, even into the next session, which is where we are here, right? And you can kind of see that the panic selling really kicked in right here. Like, it just accelerated, man. You understand? But what's your take on this? You know what I mean? Would any of you guys and gals out there feel like you would benefit from having a more holistic approach on whatever time frame that you're trading? Would it be beneficial for you to have the higher time frames volume analysis profile being drawn into your current time frame chart? Right? Because I can't say that one style is better than the other. I mean, there's people that crush it on the vol indicator on a daily basis. I know a lot of you did today. But that being said, I also feel that those same people who crushed it on the regular vol would supercharge their trading with the Mega Vol. That's my initial conclusion so far. And one final thing I will say about the Mega Vol indicator, this new one here, okay? I also feel that it's pretty superior at keeping a person out of a lot of chop. In fact, my customers and clients who are testing this out right now are reporting back to me that they are straight up killing it when using the higher time frames vol with their current time frame chart. So yep, I just wanted to show you guys two different perspectives of what a magnificent, beautiful sell-off looks like on a day where we saw panic selling just go through the roof. The VIX completely spiked. Everybody was heading for the exits, and it was once again a day trader's dream. And I simply cannot wait to see what's gonna happen tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.